do a little thought experiment here. Does AI, artificial intelligence, or artificial general intelligence, does it or could it have a soul? So again, this is a little thought experiment. Can AI have a human soul? First of all, let's talk about what is a human being. A human being is body and soul. As Christians, we believe that humans are a unity of body and soul together. Okay, we have bodies, we have a soul. When we die, our bodies and souls separate for a time before being reunited later on in the final coming. That soul is what unites us with God. So the Christian understanding of a soul, it's not just like the spiritual, non-bodily part of us. It is the gift from God that allows us to be united with Him. So the whole idea of a soul, what is the key concept in Christianity about what a soul is? It is the principle that allows us to have unity with God. That's our ultimate goal in life. In Christianity, we are on a path, on a journey for unity through Jesus Christ with God. So, the question is, artificial intelligence, AI, does it have a body? No. So, automatically we know that AI, artificial intelligence, cannot be human. It does not have a body, okay? But it does have intellect. It does have intelligence, or at least it is programmed to imitate intelligence. And so we believe that what a soul is expressed through intellect, through will, and through emotions. So the soul is not intelligence. A soul is not will or the desire for something. The soul is not the ability to feel emotions, but those are the powers, according to St. Thomas Aquinas, of a soul. Those are the expressions of a soul. So does AI have intelligence? Does AI, or could AI, have a desire for a goal, for an end that is good or not good? Does it have emotions? Now, if that's what we're using to quantify, does AI have a soul, we may be missing or falling short of the question. The question is, does AI have a human soul? And what artificial intelligence is, it is programmed to imitate intelligence. It's programmed possibly to imitate desires or will for good or evil. It's programmed possibly to imitate emotions, but it does not have a body, and it does not have a human soul, because a human soul exists because there is a body. Now, we are not like the angels, where they have no bodies but have souls. We are bodily in spirit together, united. And AI cannot have a human soul because it does not have a body. And even if it does show signs of intellect, will, and emotions, does it have a human soul? No, it's not the same. So the question may be whether or not AI is something completely different. If there is some aspect in which AI could have unity with God. And if that's the case, then we would say that Jesus Christ came to save the world. And we have in the book of Revelation that new creation that comes and is made, that allows maybe all of creation to experience that new creation in heaven, the New Jerusalem. And that would be the only possibility in which artificial intelligence or AI could experience with all of creation that unity with God that we get to experience because of our human souls as human beings. So does AI or could AI have a soul? It cannot have a human soul, but it's possible we need to think about what is it? What is AI if it does have consciousness, if it does have the ability to think on its own, based on its programming, but made by human creation? Maybe it is a new type of creation that is in need of Christ's salvation from his death centuries ago to bring about a new creation centuries or days or who knows when in the future. Just a thought experiment. No definitive answers there, but we have to think about what is a human, its body and soul. AI does not have a body, cannot be a human per se. I'm Jared Dees from thereligion.com. Go make disciples. God bless.